Hello mga ka-cutie! Meron na naman tayong chocolate brownie with kunafa and pistachios. So another collections from 7-Eleven na pistachios, Dubai chocolate pistachios and kunafa. Okay, so let's try it. Yan, i-open na natin. I'm so excited na. Ano kayang lasa nito? I'm not a fan of brownie, but okay, let's try it. Kung masarap. Okay, ito na. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Oh! Okay, at least hindi nalaglag. Okay, let's try it. Ang sarap. Ito pa, yung kunafa naman. Okay. Masarap naman siya. Lasa siyang pistachios. Mga ka-cutie. At ito yung pinakaloob niya. Okay. If you like brownie, magugustuhan nyo to, I know for sure. Pero hindi ako ganong fan ng brownie. Gusto ko lang yung kunafa and pistachios flavor. Gusto ko lahat matikman from 7-Eleven. Okay, so Cutie Chef approve ito. So please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!